Hey guys, it's Brian. Today I'm making a video of my 52-inch Hunter Infiniti ceiling fan that's installed here in my bedroom. Please do pardon the mess. It's been a long week at work, so sorry. Anyway, this fan was brand new in the box. Um, it came, I'm not really sure where the box came from, but it was new in box, made in 1994. As you can tell by the sort of flatter canopy from the earlier Infinitis. Yeah, so everything here is brand new. It's got the rosewood blades. The other side is oak. They're high gloss, which is perfect for me because it matches my furniture. Is almost kind of a rosewood color. So it's a very, very beautiful fan. It's absolutely perfect. Mint condition, obviously the blades were wrapped. Everything was wrapped. The motor was wrapped. It's, new in the original box. I got this fan off of OfferUp listing. It did not come with this Hunter Bowl light kit. I bought that separate, but that light kit is actually from 1994, so it works very well. And I've got two CFL candelabra bulbs installed. So it's antique brass, 3-speed forward reverse. Perfect, absolutely perfect fan. I love it. So I know a lot of people don't like these bowl light kits, and quite honestly, I don't either. But it actually looks really good on this fan, so I don't plan on putting a different light on it. I used to have a more decorative kind of chandelier Hunter light on here, but that hung a little low, and I wanted to try it with a bowl, and it actually looks good. Yes, I know that these are Homestead poles, but they're antique brass and they work very well with this fan for the look. So demonstrate the light off. You can see a little bit more of the blades. Very beautiful. Turn the light back on and we'll run it on low. Very smooth, slow, low speed. It does not hum. It does not have scratchy bearings. It does not wobble. It does not do anything but run like a perfectly well-balanced, well-built fan, as a Hunter should. Considering that these fans were of a little bit higher quality than some of the Hunters that were sold in the big box stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, Handy Andy, Builder Square, etc., etc. I think this fan actually came from a Builder Square, but I could be wrong. It was of the last, I think the last 1994 or 95 was the last year that Builder Square was around. Not really sure, but I think I remember seeing one of these in a Builder Square when I was a kid. Absolutely beautiful. I love this fan. Always wanted an antique brass Infiniti, and I finally have one. So medium. No wobble, no shake, nothing. Nothing but power. And it moves a good breeze on medium. Perfect for my bedroom. And high. It does vibrate a little bit in the light. It's actually the switch housing is a little bit loose. I just need to tighten it up just a little bit, but that's what that clicking noise is. That's no big deal. I just need to get a screwdriver up there and tighten those screws. But you know, very powerful on high speed. These fans were definitely built to last. We'll go ahead and shut it off. I'm not going to run it in reverse because really what's the point? It does the same thing. But yeah, that's it. That's my 52-inch Hunter Infiniti ceiling fan in my bedroom from 1994. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come. Talk to you soon.